Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud app. To know how to fix or how to solve your SoundCloud, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you will enter to the window of SoundCloud and you click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. After that, in this page of app storage, as you see, you can go to click clear cache. And in the end, you can click clear data to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking